Are you constantly worried about the agonizing pain of another kidney stone? You know, many people mistakenly believe they have no control over this condition. But what if simple, delicious food choices could dramatically lower your risk and help you reclaim your comfort? Kidney stones are a common and painful problem, and they're often linked to our diet, especially foods high in oxalates. The good news is that choosing low-oxalate foods can really help prevent stone formation, particularly for those of us prone to calcium oxalate stones. So, in this presentation, we're going to explore 6 nutrient-rich, low-oxalate foods that truly support kidney health. We'll explain their benefits and give you some practical ways to include them in your daily diet. Number 1, milk and yogurt. Many people are quite surprised to learn that milk and yogurt aren't just low in oxalate. They're also excellent sources of calcium, which is a really crucial nutrient for preventing kidney stones. So, far from being a trigger, dairy can actually be a powerful ally in your fight against stone formation, offering a delicious and accessible way to support your kidney health. This truly makes them a cornerstone for anyone looking to manage their diet with kidney health in mind. Now, calcium plays a vital role during digestion by binding with oxalate from other foods right there in your gut. This forms an insoluble compound, which is great because this binding prevents oxalate from being absorbed into your bloodstream and reaching your kidneys. This significantly reduces the risk of calcium oxalate stone formation. Essentially, when consumed together, calcium acts like a protective shield, escorting oxalate safely out of your body before it can cause any problems. There's actually a common misconception out there that dairy products cause kidney stones, probably because stones are often made of calcium. However, studies clearly show that getting adequate dietary calcium actually lowers your risk of stone formation, especially when you consume it with meals that contain oxalate. The real problem isn't calcium itself, but rather an imbalance where oxalate gets absorbed in excess because there isn't enough calcium to bind it. So, incorporating dairy into your daily meals can be both safe and enjoyable. Think about having a serving of low-fat milk with your breakfast cereal, or perhaps adding a dollop of plain yogurt to your fruit, or even enjoying a slice of cheese with your lunch. These simple additions ensure you receive enough calcium throughout the day to help manage those oxalate levels effectively. But it's not just dairy that can help, is it? Let's explore another hydrating hero that's incredibly low in oxalate. Number 2, cucumber. Cucumber really stands out as an exceptionally low oxalate food, making it an excellent addition to any kidney stone prevention diet. Beyond its minimal oxalate content, cucumbers boast an incredibly high water content, which is absolutely fundamental for flushing your urinary system and preventing the concentration of those stone-forming substances. Plus, its crisp texture and mild flavor make it such a refreshing dietary choice. This humble vegetable also contains natural citrate, a compound well known for its ability to help inhibit stone formation. What it does is bind with calcium in the urine, preventing it from combining with oxalate and forming crystals. It also makes your urine less acidic, which further discourages stone development. So, this dual action truly makes cucumber a surprising but powerful ally for kidney health. Cucumbers are incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into all sorts of meals and snacks. You can slice them into your salads for a refreshing crunch, enjoy them as a simple snack with just a sprinkle of salt, or even infuse your water with cucumber slices for enhanced hydration. Their refreshing quality makes them a popular choice, especially during those warmer months, helping you stay adequately hydrated without even really thinking about it. So, for those of you looking for an easy way to boost fluid intake and reduce oxalate absorption, cucumber is an ideal choice. It provides both hydration and beneficial citrate without contributing to your oxalate load at all. All right, let's now turn our attention to another fruit that packs a hydrating punch and offers very similar protective benefits. Number 3, Watermelon. Watermelon is truly a superfood when it comes to kidney stone prevention. It boasts very low oxalate levels and an exceptionally high hydration value. Its juicy flesh is actually over 90% water, which is incredibly effective at increasing urine volume and flushing out potential stone-forming minerals from your kidneys. This natural diuretic effect is a really key benefit for your urinary health. Now, beyond its impressive hydration capabilities, watermelon also contains natural citrate, just like cucumbers. This citrate acts as a natural inhibitor against kidney stone formation by binding to calcium in your urine, preventing it from forming crystals with oxalate. It also helps to make your urine less acidic, creating an environment that's just less favorable for stone development. For simple, healthy consumption, you can enjoy watermelon slices on their own as a refreshing snack, blend it into hydrating smoothies, or simply add it to your fruit salads. Its natural sweetness means it requires no added sugars, which keeps your overall diet healthier. Just remember to opt for fresh, ripe watermelon to get the maximum benefits from its natural water and citrate content. So, regular consumption of watermelon can be a delicious and enjoyable way to support your kidneys, helping to dilute your urine and provide those essential compounds that really deter stone formation. All right, let's now explore another common fruit that offers some truly surprising benefits for kidney stone prevention. Number 4, tomatoes. Tomatoes are another fantastic low-oxalate food that are rich in both water and citrate, making them a really valuable addition to a kidney stone prevention diet. Their high water content truly aids in diluting your urine and promoting frequent urination, which helps to flush out unwanted substances before they can aggregate into stones. And that natural citrate also works diligently to inhibit crystal formation. The advantages of tomatoes extend far beyond just their low oxalate content too. They're packed with powerful antioxidants like lycopene, which contribute to your overall health and may even help reduce inflammation. Plus, tomatoes are a good source of vitamins, including vitamin C and vitamin K, supporting various bodily functions and contributing to a well-rounded, nutritious diet. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in so many ways, both cooked and raw. You can add fresh slices to your sandwiches and salads, or easily incorporate them into sauces and soups. When you're consuming tomatoes, especially with meals, pairing them with calcium-rich foods can further enhance their kidney protective benefits. For example, try a tomato salad with some crumbled feta cheese, or add tomatoes to an omelet with a splash of milk. So, embracing tomatoes in your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your intake of beneficial fluids and citrate while enjoying a host of other nutritional advantages. Now, let's move on to a simple yet powerful fruit that also offers excellent support for your urinary health. Number 5, bananas. Bananas are naturally low in oxalate, making them a really safe and beneficial choice for anyone looking to prevent kidney stones. Unlike many other fruits that might contain higher levels of oxalate, bananas offer a sweet and satisfying option without contributing to that stone-forming risk. Their convenience and great nutritional profile truly make them an everyday staple. Now, beyond their low oxalate content, bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which is a mineral crucial for supporting your urinary health. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and can aid in the excretion of excess sodium, which, in high amounts, can contribute to stone formation. So, by promoting a healthy urinary environment, potassium indirectly helps to reduce the risk of stone development. Bananas are incredibly simple to incorporate into your diet, either as a quick snack or part of a meal. You can enjoy a whole banana on its own for a convenient energy boost, slice it into your morning oatmeal, or easily blend it into a smoothie. Their natural sweetness means they can satisfy cravings without needing any added sugars, making them a healthy and versatile food choice. So, including bananas regularly in your diet provides a simple and effective way to manage your oxalate intake while benefiting from essential nutrients that support your overall kidney and urinary system health. And speaking of breakfast, let's explore another fibrous option that's just perfect for starting your day right. Number 6. Oat bran. Oat bran is a fantastic addition to a low-oxalate diet, offering significant benefits for both digestion and your overall health. It's naturally low in oxalate, meaning it won't contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Furthermore, its rich fiber content is excellent for promoting healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, which can indirectly aid in the elimination of waste products from your body. Now, the nutritional value of oat bran extends beyond just its fiber content. It also provides essential vitamins and minerals that support metabolic functions. It can help regulate blood sugar levels and contribute to feelings of fullness, making it a good choice for weight management, which is often linked to overall health and kidney function. There are so many versatile ways to include oat bran in your breakfasts and baked goods. You can stir it into your morning oatmeal for an extra fiber boost, use it in pancake or muffin recipes, or simply sprinkle it over yogurt. For enhanced kidney stone prevention, consider combining oat bran with calcium-rich foods such as milk or yogurt to really maximize that oxalate binding effect. So, by making oat bran a regular part of your diet, you can support your digestive system, provide your body with valuable nutrients, and confidently consume a low-oxalate food that truly contributes to your kidney health. Other supportive strategies. Beyond focusing on these specific low-oxalate foods, adopting other supportive strategies is really crucial for comprehensive kidney stone prevention. First off, the role of hydration simply cannot be overstated. Drinking enough water helps flush oxalate and other stone-forming substances from your urinary tract, preventing them from concentrating and crystallizing. A good rule of thumb is to aim for clear urine throughout the day as an indicator of adequate fluid intake. It's also equally important to combine calcium and oxalate-rich foods during meals. This practice allows calcium to bind with oxalate right there in your digestive tract, preventing oxalate absorption and its subsequent excretion by the kidneys. For instance, if you enjoy a small portion of an oxalate-rich food, just make sure you pair it with a calcium source like cheese or yogurt. Now, while we're focusing on low oxalate foods, a brief note on limiting high oxalate foods is essential. Foods like spinach, beets, and nuts are known for their high oxalate content and should definitely be consumed in moderation, especially if you are prone to stones. Understanding your personal triggers really helps you make informed dietary choices. And finally, moderating animal protein intake is also beneficial, as high consumption can actually increase the risk of stone formation by increasing uric acid and calcium excretion in your urine. So, balancing your protein sources with more plant-based options can contribute very positively to your kidney health and your overall well-being. So, in conclusion, selecting the right low-oxalate foods can truly play a key role in preventing kidney stones, especially when paired with a balanced diet and adequate hydration. By incorporating foods like milk, yogurt, cucumber, watermelon, tomatoes, bananas, and oat bran into your meals, you can help protect your kidneys without sacrificing any flavor or nutritional value. These simple dietary adjustments offer a proactive approach to maintaining your kidney health for years to come. If you found this guide helpful for preventing kidney stones, please do share it with friends or family who might also benefit from this information. We'd absolutely love to hear which low-oxalate foods work best for you or any other healthy suggestions you might have. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips and leave a comment with your experiences below.